patiently about and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why love, Mary.